buttons on the top. So we can see here we have the minus and the plus. That's for volume. And we have left here, this is the microphone. You can switch off the microphone. And this one, the dot, I think is for function, action. We can press, we can confirm something. So now we can follow this instruction to power this Echo Plus up. And here we have the connector. We're going to get into here, so like this. And it's say plug in your Echo Plus and wait for Alexa to say hello. And then next you can download the Alexa app. I have downloaded the app. I've never connected to this. So we have the power supply or power adapter, and we have the block like this. And we're going to get into that socket. So that's plugged in, so we can plug this side to the main power supply, and we can switch it on. Anything here? Okay, we have a light ring around. See, the ring is rotating the light. I think it's just setting up itself. Not yet. Come on, say hello. How long would it take? Alexa.
Hello.
Hello.
To continue, download the Alexa app. Hallo. Laden Sie die Alexa-App herunter, fortzufahren.
Okay, different language.
Pour commencer,
Yeah, you can just download the app and continue set up. So if we press this action button, the dot button.
Ready for setup. Please download the Alexa app.
Okay.
Für die Einrichtung.
So just to tell you, the Echo Plus is waiting for you to set up. You need to download the app and to set it up. So you can see here I have already downloaded Amazon Alexa. This is when I order this free gift from a broadband. I logged into the Amazon, and it's automatically assigned, say, in this app, saying I already have this Echo Plus device, but always off because I have never tried. So we can try to open this Amazon Alexa to say what's going to happen about setting up if we need any extra setup here. So we just open the app. This is a newest version. I just updated it today. Alexa. I think it should automatically detect this on. So you can see on this app there's a home, the communicate, the play, the devices, and there's the more. And here you can see link to BBC account. This is nothing to do with this. So it seems that it's not automatically detect. Let's see if we go to the devices, this icon, what's going to happen. So now we're on the devices tab. So we can see this is a Echo and Alexa. We can just press this. So now we can see it's offline, and we can press that top one, Echo Plus, to see what's going to happen. Yeah, so we have something going on here. See what's on here. It's a wireless, use a Wi-Fi network, it's okay. A stereo pair subwoofer connected device. General communication enabled, device location. It really doesn't matter to us. Time zone. I just click the time zone to see what's on here. So we have a list. Yeah, we can set it as Europe. And Europe, we're going to select the country. So we can select London here. Just go back. Yeah, we have coming back to this device setting thing. Now the time zone is okay. Communication enabled. So maybe we have to go to this Wi-Fi network. We say change. Okay, is your Echo plugged in and displaying orange light? That's orange light. Yeah, we say yes. Turn on Bluetooth. The Bluetooth. Yes, here. We need the Bluetooth. Now the Bluetooth on. Searching. Select your Amazon Echo. Available device is this. Echo 49. We select this one. And then select your Wi-Fi network. This one. Okay, we need to enter the password. I think only after enter the Wi-Fi password, the Echo can connect to the Wi-Fi at your home. So we're going to enter this password. So now we have entered our password, and also say save the password to Amazon to allow eligible device to use this password during setup and when computer device associated with your Amazon account are connecting to this same network. Maybe not. So we can deselect this. So this will save your Wi-Fi password to Amazon. If you install any device later, it's going to be easier. Don't need to enter. But I think maybe not to save anywhere. We deselect it. Now deselect it, and then we connect. I think this Echo Plus trying to connect to the network. They're saying you should have all the devices to the same network. Okay, changing the color. I think it seems okay.
Your device is ready. Dein Gerät ist bereit. Votre appareil est prêt.
Il tuo dispositivo è pronto. Ya puedes empezar a usar el dispositivo.
So the device is ready now, and also on my phone it's saying your Echo Plus is now connected. Continue. Continue, maybe just back to normal. Yeah. So now back to the Echo Plus device setting. And now we can see we have audio, volume, and at moment it's 27. We can make it louder, whatever. So we can set it up here, and we can also change from the plus and the minus button. And you can also see Wi-Fi network, speaker, whatever, what's in there, speaker. Built-in speaker, Bluetooth speaker, whatever. Yeah, so we don't need to set anything up. I don't have any other speaker anyway. Built-in speaker. Okay. Yeah, I think everything should be okay. So that auxiliary audio is line out. You can connect external speaker if you like. Do not disturb off, communication enabled, device location. Okay, okay. So you don't need to show your device location. And wake up word is loading. Loading, so we just have a look at this wake up word. So after Echo Plus set up, we don't need this app anymore. And I have closed the app. So we can just use this Echo Plus. So let's do a test. I think you can use a voice to control this device. Let's see. Alexa, what's the weather like in London?
Right now in London, England, it's 6 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has clouds with a low of 3 degrees.
Alexa, what's the weather like in Belfast?
In Belfast, Northern Ireland, it's 5 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for clouds with a low of 1 degree.
Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your news. From BBC News.
So it's a change to BBC, the news clip.
This is BBC News. 3 people are in hospital after an explosion at a house in Illingworth near Halifax. It's not known what caused the blast this morning. 6 surrounding houses had to be evacuated over the incident. An investigation has been launched into what happened. Russia has started its mass COVID vaccination program despite the Sputnik vaccine still undergoing final stage testing. Developers insist it has no major side effects, and Russian doctors say it's 92% effective. Groups who are the most at risk are getting the vaccine
Alexa,
first.
stop the news. So it stops. Let's test the temperature. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 5 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of 1 degree.
Alexa, sing a song for me.
Got my mind on a number, lucky number of mine. 3.14159. My day is pi day.
Alexa,
diameter, circumference.
stop the song. Alexa, sing happy birthday to you.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now 3 cheers. Here we go. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray.
Alexa,
Hip, hip.
stop playing. Alexa, set the temperature to 21.
Thermostat Wi-Fi is set to 21.
Yeah, this is set my smart thermostat to 21 degree. Alexa, set thermostat to 20 degree.
Thermostat Wi-Fi is set to 20.
Here is an example. Okay, we can ask the Echo Plus this question. Alexa, who was the first man on the moon?
On July 21st, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. His partner on the mission was Buzz Aldrin.
Alexa, will it rain this weekend?
This weekend in Coleraine, there's a 65% chance of rain on Saturday and Sunday.
Alexa, when is the sunset?
Sunset on Saturday, December 5th was 4:01 p.m.
Alexa, when is the sunrise?
Sunrise on Sunday, December 6th will be 8:42 a.m.
Alexa, set 1 minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
So this is a timer set up for 1 minute. Okay, so that's the timeout. Alexa, stop playing the timer. Yeah, it just stopped. Yeah, I think it's a good thing to your home. It's just voice controlled, and you can ask for news, for weather, for music, for some questions, a lot of questions you can ask Echo Plus. And also you can control your smart device in your home. I have got a thermostat that early on I said, okay, set the thermostat to what temperature, and this Echo Plus can set that too, because that's also connected to the Wi-Fi in your home. So okay, after I turn off the Echo Plus and then switch on it again, the Echo Plus couldn't set itself up. So I have to start set up again by pressing the dot button, hold it until it's get into the setup mode, and then I can connect the Echo Plus to the network. I think we do need to select this save the password to Amazon, so that next time if you disconnect or unplug your Echo Plus or change it to a place, it should be able to set up itself. So we need to let the Amazon save the Wi-Fi password. So we do this, we can continue set up the Echo Plus again, and this time because we saved, next time if we disconnect the power, it should automatically set it up. So this is useful. We have to let Amazon to save the Wi-Fi password.